I don't know what to do. All these things, I don't know what they are. I don't know who can help me. Oh, look, there's a chart. Huh. Do you think this could help me? Let me see. Let's see. I have all these things here. Okay. Oh, hey, I know something. Customary measure, that's what we use in the United States. And metric, that's what they use everywhere else. Oh, I'm remembering. Are you guys remembering? Length. Let me see. What do I use to measure length? Yes. I use millimeters. I'm so excited. Look at the little millimeters right there. Do you see the little ones? Yeah. And the numbers, those are centimeters. I remember now. Length. What is this over here? A meter stick. Oh, I remember. Oh, thank you for your help. So in the United States, though, we don't have any meter sticks. Nope. We don't have that. Don't follow. We have a yardstick. Yes. Yards. And we have feet. And we have inches. Oh, thank you for helping me. That's how I measure. How long is that? Awesome. Uh-oh. Look at that. All those went in the wrong place. Oh, let's put those there. But now we have something else. Distance. What do I use to measure distance? Do you remember? What do I use to measure distance? Oh, I heard you. Yes. For metric, we use meters and kilometers. Very good. But what about customary? Oh, very good. Yes, yards and miles. Right now we are miles apart, but through video we can be together. Okay. Uh-oh. Volume. Huh. Do I use this for volume? What? No? This, right? Because volume is liquid. Oh, that's right. Oh, thank you for helping me. You guys are so helpful today. So, let's see. In the U.S., what do we use for volume? Oh, yes. Cups, quarts, pints. I did those in wrong order. Did you notice that? This is 1, this is 2, and that's 3. Did you catch that? And gallons. Oh, you guys are so smart. But in our metric system, which is what we've been working on, they are only 2. What are they? Do you remember? Taking medicine. Something. Can you help me? Something with taking medicine. You're right. Milliliters. And then if I wanted a drink, because it's a hot day and I need a lot to drink, yeah, it could be liters. Remember, this is 2 liters, not 1. Yes, 2 liters. Very good. Oh, you guys are so helpful. And then yesterday we learned about weight, right? And metric weight we learned was grams and kilograms. And then we learned how many grams was in a kilogram? Was it 100? Oh, no, you're right. That's not right. How about, I know. Thank you. Yes, you're right. It's 1,000 grams make a kilogram. Great job. You guys are just rolling right along, which is good because you know what? tomorrow you're going to be doing a review, which means on Friday it's a test. Okay, so now we're going to talk about our weight in customary measure, which are way more, pounds and ounces. Remember, it takes 16 ounces to make 1 pound, right? We talked about pounds being LBS. I know, interesting abbreviations, but I didn't make them up, somebody else did. So today we're going to talk about temperature. So do you remember when we were studying customary measure, what temperature scale we used? Remember, it's named after a German guy. Fahrenheit, very good. So we'll just abbreviate it FE, Fahrenheit. And then, do you know what temperature? My A looks like O. Temperature for metric is Celsius. Okay, again, named after the man who invented it, right? So Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius is when water freezes. Okay, and that's how we would write that, 0 degrees Celsius. And that's how we read it, 0 degrees Celsius. And 100 degrees Celsius is when water boils. Do you remember that? We've talked about that, yes? Okay. The one I always forget is the normal body temperature in Celsius. I know what it is in Fahrenheit, but the one in Celsius, I always forget. So let me look. You look in your book too. Normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So I hope you guys are all 37 degrees Celsius today and feeling happy and well. Okay? Remember, we've talked about thermometers before. We've talked about the lines, and we've talked about when the red goes up. I know I have black, I don't have red right now. So when the red gets higher, it is because the temperature is going up, right? And when the red is lower, that means the temperature is down, okay? So out of these two, which one is hotter? Very good, that one is hotter. Which one is colder? You're right, that one is colder. Remember, we talked about needing to look at the intervals. Are they going up by 5s or 10s or 2s or 1s? Okay. So Fahrenheit and for the US, and our metric, which is what we're studying, is Celsius. Okay. If you have questions, please email me or put it in the questions of the class. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and grab our book again, because we're going to do the page together, make sure we understand what's happening. So again, if you look at your little scale here, okay, you will see that the big numbers are going up by 10s, and then they have little numbers in between, whole bunches of them, and there's a bigger middle number, those are 5s, remember? Okay, so let's continue. So number 1 is ice tray. Remember, we said freezing water. So what would that be? Would that be 37 degrees, or would that be 0 degrees? You're right, that would be 0 degrees Celsius, because we know water freezes and ice is frozen water, right? All right, how about number 2? The person in the outfit. So with her outfit like that, would it be 30 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Celsius? Yes, it would be 30 degrees Celsius. All right, what about number 3? There, it's all snowy outside. Remember, snow is frozen water. Clue, clue, hint, hint. And they are sledding or whatever. Yes? What do you think? Very good, 0 degrees Celsius. How about number 4? Oh, he's not looking so well, is he? So he's probably not his normal body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius because he's kind of like got his hand on his head. Yeah, probably not feeling so good. So what do you think? Very good, 39 degrees Celsius. Okay. And here we have our pot of boiling water. Remember which one is boiling water temperature? You're right, 100 degrees Celsius. Then we have our girl, and she's all dressed up. She's got a hat on, and she's got a sweater on. So do you think the outside temperature is 100 degrees Celsius? Or do you think it is 20 degrees Celsius? Yes, I would agree with that, 20 degrees Celsius. Because if it was 100, it's like hotter than boiling water, right? You wouldn't want a hat and a sweater on, okay? I don't know what you'd want because it'd be super hot, okay? Definitely shorts anyway. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our thermometer, okay? So you're going to look at it, and what is the degrees that you see there? Go ahead and count them. Very good, 9 degrees Celsius. How about number 8? What do you think? Very good. I heard somebody say it, 47 degrees Celsius. That is awesome. And finally, number 9 is, you guessed it, 98 degrees Celsius. You guys are doing so good. I'm so excited for your test on Friday. I think you're going to ace it. All right, how about number 10? Do you think that is freezing water, or do you think that is boiling water? I see the steam coming up there. What do you guys think? Very good, 100 degrees Celsius. And number 11. There we have that picture. I'm not actually sure what that is. Mine is little. I thought it was a Jell-O thing, but that doesn't make sense. So I'm not sure what that is, but I'm sure you guys can figure it out. So number 11 is 2 degrees Celsius. Yes, probably like an ice cream thing, yeah? All right, so again, go ahead and do the back. Just submit the back because we did the front again together, okay? And then tomorrow you're gonna do your review, okay? So there's not gonna be a video or anything because you guys know your review is on your own to see how you do. So I will check that as soon as you submit it, as soon as I can get to it, because I'm not online all the time. But as soon as I can get to it, I will check it to make sure we're ready for the test on Friday, okay? So that is all for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!